Hello everyone. As an introduction, I go streaming every day, 2 or 3 times, talking about tree shade extension. This extension I have been developing over 10 years for InDesign and Adobe Bridge, and also as a Node.js server. Node.js server after installing TreeShade, you will have a file called main.js, and here I have ngrok service to connect the local server to this domain. Okay. In Adobe InDesign, you will have 2 menus, TreeShade and Live Snippet. Live Snippet to connect the dynamic content as text files and image or icons, any asset exist with the document element. Like here, I have this document layout. And here I'm revealing the project, the design on this page. It consists of a text on a photo. Here inside the data folder, I have this text file that contains dynamic content. If I open here in I have this dynamic content. The first line this colon mean dynamic content, and this to place 2 files, starting with photo inside the folder that has the same file name beside it. What does that mean? Here the file name item have adjacent folder called item also, so the text file plays as a gate for this folder. And inside item I have 2 files to place in the InDesign document. These 2 files start with the word photo, photo file.jpg and photo description.txt. So I write this photo star. Here the method place to place these 2 files, and here frames to include the text inside the frame separated from the photo. Here 80% width and 80% height for both blazed files, the text and the photo. Here I have object style called description for the first blazed files, and another object style called photo for the second object style. And here I have paragraph style called body. So if I open text frame, and before that I need to be assured that this option is checked, create links, when placing text and spreadsheet files in file handling. Okay, insert the text cursor and right click on the live snippet file. This is a dynamic live snippet because it has the syntax to retrieve different files from the adjacent folder. Right click, place in design. Now I have to this is the text, but where is the photo? Let's make all in one line. Update selected. Okay. So if I change the text frame that contains the dynamic live snippet and update and select the photo and update the live snippet, it's automatically take the shape of the text frame, because here I have 80% width and 80% height. If I change to 100, and now it will be matched. Select any object inside the snippet to select the snippet itself, or select the start marker, the non-printing anchor text frame that marks the beginning of the live snippet, and let's update. Now it takes the, but now in selecting, if I click here, I will select here the photo, and here the text, and this is the container text frame. So I must be careful in selecting them. So you can click here and then click select container to select the container. Okay, I can change like this and update again. Now if I want to select the text, I need to click select next object or previous object. Okay, this is the text. Do you want to check in? Yes. When you check in a file, tree shade automatically update the current version of the file and export the PDF and JPG or PNG thumbnails for the document. Now if I update the online form, let's try to change. Submit. Okay, that's it. So here in the dynamic content, always I start with the colon, and I have the first portion for placing the file and the remains for styling. At first I place the two files inside the adjacent folder, the folder that has the same name. These two files start with the word photo, and then I make the width and height 100%. Then I assign object style for the first object, description, and object style for the second object, photo, and also apply a paragraph style for the snippet. and here I place the text inside a frame, inside the text frame. So we have two text frames, one for the container of the snippet and one for the blessed text. Okay, this is the container. Let's update again. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.